Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to talk to block people on Discord. So guys, to do this process, as you can see over here, I have blocked this person. Now, in order for you to chat with him, you can just simply go ahead and select unblock over here. So guys, if you unblock them, you should be able to talk to them. And now if you don't see the block option over here, somehow you will just simply go for the user settings over here. And from here, go for the content and social. And down below, if you scroll down over here, as you can see guys, you should be able to see here accounts you blocked or ignored. So in order for you to talk to them, you just have to simply unblock them. And from there, you should be able to just simply search for their name and do a direct message. So guys, you have to unblock them in order for you to talk to them. So blocking them means you cannot talk to them. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.